Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best payment methods accepted by 8Fig. As an e-commerce seller who has scaled using 8Fig's funding, I can tell you that the question isn't about the traditional payment methods you accept from your customers like credit cards or PayPal. Since 8Fig is a financing and planning platform for e-commerce, the payment methods we need to focus on are actually how 8Fig gets capital to you and how you pay them back. When 8Fig funds your growth plan, the method is a series of continuous cash injections. This is one of the biggest advantages I experienced. Instead of a single huge lump sum, 8Fig system provides funds in smaller, tailored amounts aligned with your specific supply chain needs, like paying a supplier, covering freight costs, or funding a marketing push. The actual mechanism for receiving the funds is an electronic transfer directly into your business bank account, once each funding milestone in your growth plan is approved. The key for me was connecting my bank account and e-commerce platform like Shopify or Amazon to their system, which is part of the initial setup. Now, let's talk about the repayment, which they call remittance. This is where 8Fig truly stands out and offers a best method for sellers. It's not a fixed monthly payment like a traditional loan. My remittance schedule was customized based on my sales projections and supply chain timeline. This means the repayments are flexible and cash flow friendly. If my sales were slower than expected, the system adjusted. This flexibility protected my business's cash flow in a way a bank loan never could. The cost is a fixed cost of capital, not interest. This fee, which is agreed upon up front, is incorporated into your remittance schedule. The repayments are usually debited from your connected business bank account on a personalized schedule that starts after the funded inventory is expected to be received and start generating revenue. In my experience, the best payment methods accepted by 8Fig are simply connecting your e-commerce store and your business bank account. This enables their system to deliver continuous, supply chain aligned funding to you and process flexible, cash flow optimized remittances back to them. This seamless, integrated approach is what truly separates 8Fig from traditional financing. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.